Today's plan was to go to Disney Springs to catch the drone show, but it is, raining for the next hour and 80% at 7. But it slows down at 8. No rain at 8, and then 9 is the drone show, and at 10. So hopefully this rain can stay away. Once the rain is over, we're definitely going to Disney Springs so we can catch the drone show, because I've never seen the drone show before. So we made it to Disney Springs. It is now 9:45 right now. The rain stopped. We missed the first show of the drone show. I don't know if it happened, so we're gonna go ask some cast members to see if it ever happened, or if the second one at 10:45 will actually happen. The rain is gone and there's no lightning in the area, so let's see if the second one will actually happen. Here are the showings for the Dreams That Soar drone show at Disney Springs. Is one at 9 p.m. and the second showing is at 10:45. So right now the next show time is 10:45. So let's see if we can go into this one, because people are already lining up already that way, and it's just 5 minutes till 10 o'clock. So let's see. So change of plans. We're not gonna go see the drone show where everybody's gonna see the drone show. I know that's a great view, but we have a plan. I think we're gonna go to the orange garage, go to the 5th floor and see it from there, because that is also a great view of it. Now we can't hear the audio with the show, I don't think so, from the garage, but I know we're gonna have a great view and it's gonna be less people up there for sure. Never tried NBA Experience. I'm just passing by it right now. Obviously it's not open, it's closed, so it's not coming back at all. And I know Disney's not demolishing the building, because it was a huge investment to basically rebuild from the ground up. And they have a great restaurant here, CityWorks, Eatery and Poorhouse. I would definitely want to eat here one day. This is not going nowhere because this is a famous restaurant here at Springs. So let's see what comes up here, maybe an arcade or some AI experience. I don't know what's gonna come here. So let me know in the comments, what do you think is gonna replace NBA Experience? So I made the decision to see it around Boathouse, right over here. It's across the way. Now I can't hear the music, but yeah, everybody had the same idea to go to the 5th floor, to the garage, to the orange garage, and everybody's going that way behind House of Blues to actually see the show. And yeah, it's gonna be packed, so it doesn't matter when you're coming during the week or the weekend, it's going to be packed. Plus we live here now, and I can come any other night through September 2nd to actually see the drone show when it's a little less crowded. And right now it is hyped, because it's only like the second week of the actual drone show being released at Disney Springs. Of course, it is something free to do at Disney, so everybody's gonna come and do it for those that don't have a theme park pass and they can't see Happily Ever After or Luminous at Epcot. We found a spot. This is basically where they perform, next to the Boathouse, but they took the stage off, and yeah, and we get to see the drone show, and there's speakers right above us, and we just heard the announcement that we can hear basically the music from here. So yeah, and we get to see it right over here. So I can't wait. There's like basically a different viewing area not know about. But yeah, I did not want to deal with the crowds at House of Blues. It's too packed over there. From the drone show from House of Blues going back to their car, as like I said, it gets very packed, and that's on a Thursday at 11 o'clock. It still gets packed here. Drone show, we didn't have a perfect spot, but by the boathouse I did not expect to see the to hear the music of the drone show, but there are speakers here. You can't see it like, you know, straight as you would see it perfectly in House of Blues. That's why they take you to that direction. You can catch Dreams That Soar drone show at Disney Springs every night at 9 p.m. and 10:45 p.m. and it is every night until September 2nd, 2024. The question is, will drones be the future of Walt Disney World? No fireworks or nothing? I don't think so. I think that fireworks are here to stay. I think people are more interested in fireworks than drones, but it is pretty cool to have a free show and see drones here at Disney Springs for free without a theme park ticket. My advice to you is to get here like early, like basically an hour early before each and every show, if it's the first show or the second show, to see and grab a spot right next to the fence of House of Blues, and yeah, and then you can get a better view over there for sure. Let me know if you will come to Disney Springs during your trip to see this show. Let me know in the comments down below. So with that being said, go live life, do what you love, and remember, always follow your dreams. Bye guys.